Hello.
Hello.
Right. We're gonna try and put
14-inch bars?
I think so. Apes. On Mongo's Buy. 2020 Fatboy. So we're gonna see if we can fuck it up, aren't we?
Well,
We're gonna try not to fuck it up,
No.
but we're gonna show you what not to do.
Couldn't be any worse than mine.
No. So anyway, let's get into it. Boom, seats off.
Oh, big off.
Alright. Fuck, it's got some glare.
Feel like we haven't done anything here for fucking ages.
Yeah, I know.
Well, I haven't. What have you been doing in here? Just no, I know. Where's the fucking remote?
Alright, little disclaimer. Was going to do a full info thing on changing bars over and everything like that, but we had, I don't know how it happened, we're having a couple of beers, we had some music playing in the background, so it's YouTube's monetized and you'll get no audio out of it, so I'm just going to skim straight through it. I'll show you the finished thing, and I'll just sort of fast forward through the work we did, what was sort of hard and what wasn't, all that sort of thing. And yeah, so we'll pretty much just go into a bit of riding. I'll show you what the bike looks like now we've finished it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Breather line, plug out of there, and fuel line unclip off this. It's just a clip down thing, yeah, no one cares.
No, I know what to do. Put that up first.
Oh, wow. The Jill's got to get on.
Yeah.
You got your bike key?
This thing's pocket, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nah, so might not go off. What do you reckon?
Fuck yeah. I reckon that seat needs to go down. We'll probably just up a bit.
Fast forward a bit more.
Your hands are a bit relaxed. Oh,
How do you
I don't
loosen?
know.
How do you loosen them fuckers? These ones.
Up under the...
No. Oh, what a fucking pain in the ass that is.
Yeah. Oh, they're alright.
They look right,
That's
eh?
that for a ride. What's that grip? You want gripping?
It's not.
Okay, so at the moment I've got this bit of tape wrapped around here because I'm just trying to get a bit of air out of the brakes. Mongo's coming around this morning and we're gonna finish bleeding it. But these are 14-inch burley bars. I can't remember exactly which ones they were. He got them for a good price, second-hand off Gumtree, and we chucked them on. Look, there was 3 of us working on the bike last night, and we worked from about 6 to about 12. So, you know, it took a little while. It was good having someone else give, you know, like a couple of extra hands to hold things. The hardest things we've done is getting the actual cables through the bars. Every time I've done that, it's been a pain in the ass. You can't really get away from it. We use a chain, normally like a real thin chain. We put it through here and we dangle it. Obviously turn the handlebars upside down, put it out the other end, tape on our wires and then pull it through. The other thing that is an absolute pain in the ass is this clutch cable. You've got to run a new longer clutch cable. This is all a bit dirty. We haven't cleaned it yet. We're still sort of working on it, bleeding the brakes, and we get to give it a bit of a test run. But these Allen keys, these bolts are a pain in the ass to get to, especially ones like this. You can pull off all the exhaust. I ended up leaving the exhaust on there, doing it with it. I think some kits actually come with an Allen key. Look, a normal Allen key will work, but on the shorter end, you can cut them down so you can actually get into tighter spots. But I ended up just being able to get away with it with these pipes, but it was a bit of a mission. Other than that, you know, you drop your clutch fluid out, refilling it, that bolt in there, that's a pain in the ass. That's like your dipstick to refill your clutch fluid. Look, other than the wiring and the clutch, I'd probably say we didn't really have too much trouble. The biggest pains is just bleeding the brakes after it. But yeah, it took a good probably 5 hours, you know, 4 hours of just fucking around. But anyway, I'll show you the end product. Look, I feel like, you know, it's a bit of a dud, this video, because we just completely stuffed it up. I wanted to do a full thing on it. But look, there's heaps of videos on YouTube of people changing bars. This is a 2020 Fatboy with 14-inch bars. I was thinking they were going to be a bit small because I like putting like 16s and above on everything. But 16s are a minimum, but these come up cheap, and I wasn't sure if they were going to look alright, but they actually look really good and in proportion to the bike. without going too crazy, and it's, you know, really comfy. First ride. Get in here! Better? Yeah. Oh, is it?
Yeah, right, once a corner now.
Yeah.
Once you put a ride in there.
That is fun.
I bet it feels different.
Thanks,
really
mate.
that.
Does it feel heaps
And
different?
there's my fun.
Why,
motor rider instead of saloon.
So much better.
I love it. It looks wicked. So good.
How much fucking better does that handle? And like feel? Back. Sit. Brakes. Stay in. Fuck. I don't know if we actually let. Did we put his brakes back on?
Wasn't here.
Ah, well, time will
How
tell.
many beers have you had?
No comment.
There he goes.